Hello friends, my name is Subalakshmi. Let me take you through my small kitchen garden. The COVID pandemic made life uncertain and forced each one of us to adapt to the new normal. The lockdown gave us enough time in hand, motivating us to grow immunity boosting herbs in our front and backyards. Lemongrass reduces inflammation and relieves anxiety. Curry leaves, excellent antioxidant that reduces stress. Mint aids in digestion and pacifies all three doshas. Brinjal improves digestion and metabolism. Aloe vera relieves heartburns and treats skin problems. Methi reduces glucose levels and improves the digestive fire. Tomato, it is very good for heart. Spinach, it cures anemia and also helps in weight loss. Coriander manages all kinds of fever and pacifies all three doshas. Patharchat cures kidney stones and also soothes pain. Ajwain leaves treats cough, sore throat and asthma. French beans full of fiber, they reduce cell damage. Tulsi useful in respiratory, digestive and skin diseases. Basil treats loss of appetite and worm infections.